Mwanchu muligererio mu basomu ya Ayiga n'Ensoko TV ne Chinsa Isano Ibere cyo mugasobono kitariki 23 mutinyukia ndo mwaka w'ikiri 2025 nabono MS ya Amayia nigo tubwate ayakubwatia lietaliane ni Innocent Onyango. Togo chako mwanchu muligererio mubunge bw'ensemo ya Nyaribali Masaba Muske Daniel Ogwoka Manduku otebirense ya Kenya nige bwate oburitobo nene bwa makabeso.
Kenya bwate amadeni are 12 trillion. 12 trillion ejini budget jema ketatu. Kero mwaka ya motore 4 trillion bono. Lakini egenda gigo kumingelinga ase bango ya Kenya. Eli tokurua. Ase silingi 100. Silingi 70 tuko enda sa madeni. Yani 70% of our tax income is used to redeem what we call public debt. 30% jiatigara tuwakani mesaha. Ikabona sama ganda rande wikato sabe chibas chindi. Nakia kwa nyarabono
oburitobo bwa makabeso nigo bweirense ya Kenya koro kyokogania wokonia e company ya Kenya Pipeline eliokonyore nibo yogokora gose yogokora emiroberio kurinde e committee eli kurigereria amakabeso yense na nemono okonigwa kwenibo yense nigo kubwate amabulio amanke
koni kuruku Kenya Pipeline Kenya Pipeline Corporation lakini ndio maswali amange ayiba kabono tutaranyora majibu naenda bandamane bachire koti nyugwezi koti nyo koni kwe asset hiyo mono kera bachire parliament wakore ngendo ko valuation okay omate kero te ko kanya ngombe yao wikartanganya ora kisabe ngombe yese igiru 40 konyora paka 50 toko anda chiro chiko kanya ngombe otoma jiri kori paka chali bunge otoma jiri kori bakoni aya watamuga timondo bakoneria
mwanchu muligererio Muske Manduku nigo boigo atebire emiroberio ya magendero imanyekanite buna empowerment plan yo korwa n'ababunge bali bakobwataniwa ne serikali nigo bagokora emiroberio etabwati emiroberio miya iyo gukikokonya abakenya nigaya kwa naya asomuroberio bw'ensoko bwakire
tubachira ali mambia abange no ikaranse kuruma baterje igo toika jinza kianda ebyombe gusemya 3 byakire chiba chiko bakwanya rumo nginako na siringi kwa rabandi bakwa na siringi 64 okay kwa ngoli gaki usingwa ibindi binkwarra ngaraba ruboroli ngaraba the best way to empower people and I believe it is to implement community initiatives
okay
unaona tiango example unaona twajite Nyaribali tukasangiri milioni 8 chiwe sejitu yako ndo tumeke simeka mkia machi tubeke sola tubeke njitangia abantu bacha babuja macha busa era atwara impact mo kubagera abantu
umusaye Ben mugakabwe kiama kya UDA otebire umuroberi bwo gwakana bakenya bali basireti ubugima na konyora chingoma chintindi ekera abasaye bagenzi bali kurobekana negati yo muroberi omiyago semeroberi emiya murayibwense William Ruto abekire eligo tinya abakenya bo amaliga kurwa sama isabo mwaka niga mentre goteba e committee erense yo burayibwa kaumtua na Faith Odhiambo nigo erachikoba gekoena na oboene gochiase abakenya bo
ode mangana agency bali baba affected na maandamano president already ajero mondo neutral president ya Law Society of Kenya ku Faith Odhiambo nera ajora tene de kyombigari kyo compensate abantu aba affected so mondo leko fight for abana aba I don't think nae webenza yabana balye achikanye begasa ngao because the president ya original mondo neutral onero akonya ko koraki ko na chibese abantu baba affected. So I believe they will be sorted. Like the president, no what the powers you appoint. And also again, the in office, what then they again to get it. Lakini ba supportage president. Kada president ya majina na ba supportage because my taking the critical sana. Ese kwa manto bore bata max or lady na wara mo supportage more. Kada tena ande barche die nyingi. That's why roja na kiaro se task force yeye. Sort out abantu abo babere affected.
Mwaziri we wizara y'ekisemi omuske Julius Ogamba amona ababisabe ekisemi amona baliki bali be wizara y'ekisemi nigo bagendrete bikaro byokoligerera buna barayikiranie ebirengo by'ekisemi ase basabire okolikibwa kwa borki abange eligo kinya kisemi ase ebirengo ao anemono kiri kya CBE.
In terms of staffing, currently as we are talking, there is a staffing crisis in the secondary, despite President Ruto employing 20,000 interns whose tenure is going to end by December. We don't know if there's going to be automatically renewed. We are demanding that it be renewed and they be put PNP as we employ the next 50,000 that the president assured us. But in terms of staffing, let the JS have their teachers. Currently, as I am speaking to you, most JS teachers are being forced to teach class 2. Currently, as we are talking, somebody is teaching grade 8 and is being forced to teach class 1. If you refuse, you are given show cause letters. My office is full of letters written by HOIs to these JS for not complying, for refusing to teach a subject they are not trained with. A teacher is trained to teach history, theory, is being forced to teach physics, chemistry. These are key issues that are giving our children road deals. We say that let there be autonomy in terms of staffing of the JS sector. Let it have its own administration. Let them also have their own co-curricular activities, and let the computation that is meant for the JS be used for the issues and for the activities, academic and co-curricular activities that are for JS, and not be transformed into doing
ayo kagendrete y'ekisemi ekyombe gya kupet bono na kiki abongaiga gyasokiri kubwatesya borokya bali be ekisemi kya CSS abase bagusaba na barubanya koba bakoyego busibule elyo gwetinenera.
I think this engagement is extremely important to look at education in a holistic manner, to ask ourselves how far have we come, where are we, and what direction are we taking in all areas of education. And therefore, I am going to pray and hope that we have this engagement every other 1 year or every other 2 years, so that we shape the future of this country.
The transition to CBE requires all of us to put our heads together so that we shape the education of this country. And sir, the discussions that have happened here are indeed going to shape the CBE education. Sir, as the largest employer, East and Central Africa, we are glad to engage, especially the teacher educators, because they are our key stakeholder, and this is not the only time we are engaging. We will continue to engage so that the areas that we have shortages for teachers, we will be able to work together to be able to ensure that teachers are available for all the learning areas of our students. Sir, we do appreciate this, and as a commission, we will lead the way in employment of teachers so that we support.
Muwaziri we wizara y'obulendi bw'emyo Muske Kipchumba Murkomen naende nigo airorire nkwana yabu n'abakenya nigo babwenete ko abanyanyimba mabuta yekigali cyabo eligokora emirimo yabo boigo omentere goteba buna chief bensemo ya Mandera nigo barachikoyewe chimbunde iliyogotinya obulendi asensemeyu.
Kuna watu kutoka Ethiopia wame-invade Kenya, wako hapa. In fact, kitu ya kuingia manyumba usiku imeanza. Shida ya watu kugongwa na bodaboda imeanza Mandera.
That the government of Kenya is fully in charge to ensure that even if our neighbors have a problem, it doesn't spill over to hurt our people in Kenya, because it's our first responsibility to ensure that we safeguard our country. Chiefs wote ambao wanataka kufacilitatiwa wakue na protection ya firearm, they should be given, they should be trained wenye wanahitaji training, na wale ambao wahitaji training wapewe na wasajiliwe rasmi.
Security is a shared responsibility. Sisi kama maafisa wa serikali ya usalama tuko na responsibility ya primary responsibility kuona kwamba mko na security. However, lazima sisi tufanye pamoja na wananchi ndio sisi wote tuweze kufaulu.
Mandera hatuna vita vya vikabila. Ile shida tuko nazo ni wafugaji kuzozana mara kwa mara.
Wale basi wanaandika gazeti waende waandike kwamba mimi nimesema askari akiomba maji ni corruption. Na askari hao wamesema county government na mtu yeyote mwenye ako na uwezo kupeana maji asaidie askari wetu kupeleka maji kwa kambi zao ndio isaidie kusonga mbele.
Wanchumurigili togoso asense moye chigosoli omogosoli bwe timu ya PSG Osman Dembele oirwe kegwa kia Baldondri Lamine Yamal bwe club kia Barcelona korteli bagali ya kabiri babu ibande no mogosoli Victor Gyökeres bwe club kia Arsenal oyoetwe kegwa gia Jeda Mula asoko nyonsi ya chigoli chinyinge na omusubati Anita Bonati kobweke ekegwe kia Baldondri asense meli y'abasubati ase chintunde gosentunde agatatu gekobwatani mogosoli ibwe club gia Manchester City Jorgen Dinoruma oyore mu goalkeeper na roetwe ekegwa gyokoba omu goalkeeper omuya Monchobuligili goikirabuo ni gongo batebyo muyego yini gokorekanete ase omuchio Paris ime yense ya France. Abu twekiro mwelio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isano Ibere cyabona mugaso kitage 11 cyaetire ko batebigendera kubwatia imirubiri yito ya Nsoko TV lietaliane ni Innocent Onyango.